When your brush starts sounding noisy, you will likely need to replace the drive bearing. Please watch our brush system troubleshooting video to pinpoint which bearing needs to be replaced. We'll be performing this demonstration on the Mopit Mid, but we'll point out any differences you'll encounter on the Max. To simplify this procedure, the whole drive bearing assembly will be swapped out. To do this, you will need the following tools: a pair of needle nose pliers, a 1/8 inch and a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, and the Mopit's onboard 5/32 inch Allen tool, located on the back right corner of the machine. For the Max, you'll need a 3/16 and a 5/32 Allen wrench. With the Mopit on its back, remove the belt cover by turning the thumb screws counterclockwise. Using a pair of needle nose pliers makes this step a lot easier. On the Max, you can use the onboard 5/32 Allen tool to remove the two countersunk screws. Loosen the two motor mount screws by using the 1/8 inch Allen wrench. You'll find 3 screws on the Max, all 5/32. With the 3/16 inch Allen wrench, turn the belt tensioning screw counterclockwise to loosen and remove the belt. This will be the same on both models. Remove the 4 drive plate screws by using the onboard 5/32 inch Allen tool. This will also be the same on both models. Pull the old drive bearing plate out of the brush. You're now ready to install the new drive bearing by repeating the same steps in reverse order. Slide the new drive bearing plate into the brush. Replace the 4 drive bearing plate screws and tighten them. Place the belt over the pulleys, making sure that the grooves in the belt align with the grooves in the pulley. Turn the belt tensioning screw clockwise until there's about 1/4 inch of movement when you squeeze the belt together between the pulleys. You can now finish tightening the motor mount screws. Replace the belt cover. Remember that the short thumb screw goes in the hole closest to the bottom of the machine. Stand the Mopit up, and stow the onboard Allen tool for future use.
Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Mopit. Thanks for being a Mopit customer.